Hello and welcome to this video presented by Advanced Data Business Systems. ADBS has been developing enterprise software since 1981 for small to large organizations. This is the Advanced Development Shell series and I am Thomas Wade Gonder. This is video 1112 in which we will provide a basic understanding of what to do when presented with the login form in the ADS. Let's fire up Access and open the evaluation database for version 123. Version 123 had major enhancements to the login VBA code and environmental error checking. The first thing is obvious that you will need a user code as well as a password to log in. The data administrator is responsible for adding this information and supplying you with these credentials. If you don't know your user code, then pressing the close button is the appropriate action. Since Fred Flintstone has already used our system in other demo videos, let's use his credentials. Clicking in the user code text box, Fred types in E0022. Notice the E is in uppercase, that's important, and tab, and then types in his password of YABA, which has a capital Y. He presses tab. If those validate, he will see this message in the status area. To continue, Fred will press the accept button to indicate his compliance with the legal notice from Advanced Data Business Systems. On the next page, Fred is presented with the environmental verification form. Fred reviews all the information here to confirm he has logged into the correct database with the proper location and time. Normally this won't change between sessions, but if there is some update to the software applications and there is a problem, it should be evident here. Video 2112 goes into more detail on each field shown here. Fred has about 15 seconds to complete his login, or the credentials will time out and he will need to enter his user code and password again. This is a security feature should Fred get distracted while logging in. Fred also has about 2 minutes to complete his login, or the ADS login form will shut down access. Video 2112 also goes into more detail about the kinds of errors that a user may encounter when logging in. Once Fred presses the Continue button, he is presented with the menu form. That is a topic for video 1122. Thank you for watching this video. The more advanced videos about the login form will help you understand in greater detail some of the topics briefly mentioned here. The menu form overview is the next step in understanding more about the Advanced Development Shell.